Hello, this is Gio. Hey, I'm gonna do a different how-to video today. I'm actually gonna do a how-to video of a card trick. Okay, so I have an ordinary deck of cards. Now, this trick my grandfather taught me, and it was just kind of manipulation of a deck of cards to make a spiral shape. It's kind of a really neat, pretty spiral shape. You can kind of impress your friends, etc. Now, to do this, you want to grab both sides of the deck like this firmly. You could either do it like this. I have the bottom grip like this. I kind of like to hold it like this. You could also grip it like this if your hands are strong enough. But you want to be able to essentially hold it like this and be able to rotate it. Now, once you rotate it, you can see it's already forming a little bit of a spiral. Now, the reason I like to hold it like this is because I'm going to lift up and down, back and forth, one hand at a time from the bottom. And as I rotate, so I'm going to twist, lift, twist, lift, twist, lift. Now, this might it will take some practice, but as you get good at it, you can just kind of rock back and forth, and eventually you will make your beautiful spiral. Now, when you get kind of like this, you have to make sure that your grip is good enough for the bottom, because you're kind of doing it on the narrow side. But as you grip, you're just trying to do it really carefully. Just practice, practice, practice. And you can continue this 1 or 2 spirals. And the top card is not perfect here. I think I'm going to just put that back into place. Kind of hold it. And you can let go with one hand as long as you have the grip on the other hand. And so we're just going to rock back and forth, rock back and forth, rock back and forth. Now, this is not the best spiral I've done, but it's pretty good. You can see it's pretty nice spiral. Now I'm going to try it one more time to see if I can get a better spiral out of this. Okay, it's about the same spiral. I've done better than this sometimes, but the deck of cards is a little bit slick and I can't quite get the cards, so they keep on kind of moving away from each other. So maybe an older deck of cards will do a better job, but here you go. This is my grandpa's card spiral trick. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.